plants. OL means overload. That'll work. Thank you, simplicity. Ash, are you still here, babe? Yes, this is the front camera. Oh, no, sorry, the other Ash. Thank you. Ash with the roses. Yes, sure. I got the number, y'all. There is a lot of ashes. Every single one of them are on clean top. Don't come at me. I know it's blue. Flip back over. Exactly. If you're seeing blue, no, you're not. Along with my, it is me. Maybe I'm the weak one. Yeah, look how pretty. You're good, babe. Do you want your... Okay. That's what I figured. I know you like yours usually all in. Oh, Lord. I wish I could get that figured out for you. Y'all, add-ins are still available. We have plenty of cans. I have plenty of laundry. How are you, Stacy? I hope it goes okay. I'm loving that week. Thank you, Kat. Oh no. That was nice. Yeah, I know, a lot of people don't. It's so sad. But that means it's doing its job. Tara, can you tell that you've not been able to do a full treatment? Oh, and I don't think I answered, Leanne, I did not put the tarps down. I probably regret it, but I hadn't walked over here either, so. That gave her some color. It would, sorry, I wish I could get it. And we do have more liquids to go in. Yes. That was good. No, I don't over here. I am in the brightest part in the garage. Is it dark for everyone? What was that? Oh, the backhoe. It's not dark at all? Okay. Try going out and coming back if yours is dark. Hey, bestie. Yeah. I hope it's too bright for you. It is cute. It's so cute. Somebody got. Oh, I keep bumping y'all. I'm sorry. I was like, oh no, why are y'all gonna fall in? I didn't know if y'all were seeing something that I wasn't seeing. It's this table that I'm on. I will try to be a little easier. And not shake y'all all over the place. That's you. That's you, my friend. That's you. No, it's where I had to put it up so much higher. That's why. And then we moved the table. I should have put y'all on the floor. I got it from Sudscity. She you done a color run. We said we wanted pink, right? This is Nat's powder. We were a mess. It was so funny. It was hilarious. Like no seatbelt, no nothing, because I was not getting it in my new car. We both had it all over us. All right, y'all, we need more cans. We need more powder. Hey, Polly. Look, yeah, I just started running. Is it lagging again? Is it lagging for everybody else? Oh, it's good now, okay. Okay. Oh, my stomach's gonna grow. Thank you, Shari. I'm loving how pink it is. I had breakfast. All right, I have 2 cans and some laundry. As far as powder goes, I still have quite a bit of liquids to go in. So good. I am so excited that you found it. I mean, it's the next best thing to pop. Yes. I do have other colored powders. Anybody wants to add a color in here? I have a blue. I can make green. I have it in orange. Yes, pine is so good. Does it? It hurts. Definitely gonna need more powder. She was turned a different way than I thought. Are y'all lagging? go out and come back in if you're lagging. Do you feel like it's personal? Here she is. Thank you, H. Thank you, Nisha. I still have the jug of